Interior plants and their benefits. Snake plant purifies air by removing toxins such as formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene, releases oxygen at night. These plants are tolerant of low light and infrequent watering. Spider plant removes indoor pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene, improves humidity levels. These plants thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and needs regular watering. Aloe Vera heals minor cuts and burns, purifies air by removing formaldehyde and benzene. They needs bright, indirect sunlight and minimal watering. Philodendron plants are excellent at absorbing formaldehyde, easy to grow. These prefers low to moderate light and regular watering. ZZ plant tolerates low light and neglect, removes toxins like xylene and toluene. These plants needs minimal watering and low to moderate light. Money plant is effective at removing indoor pollutants such as formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, benzene, and carbon monoxide from the air, improving indoor air quality. This plant thrives in a variety of conditions, including low light and irregular watering, making it an excellent choice for beginners or busy individuals. Fittonia, also known as the nerve plant or mosaic plant, is renowned for its striking veined leaves, available in colors like pink, red, white, and green. Native to the tropical rainforests of South America, it is a popular choice for indoor gardening due to its decorative appeal and easy care. The Monstera plant, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a popular indoor plant known for its large, glossy, and uniquely perforated leaves. Native to the tropical forests of Central and South America, it is a favorite among plant enthusiasts for its striking appearance and relatively easy care. Anthurium, often known as the flamingo flower or laceleaf, is a popular indoor plant prized for its striking, heart-shaped leaves and vibrant, long-lasting flowers that come in shades of red, pink, white, and green. Native to the tropical regions of Central and South America, it adds a touch of exotic elegance to indoor spaces. Chinese evergreen or aglaonema removes toxins from the air, easy to grow in low light conditions. Prefers low to medium light and moderate watering. The moon cactus, scientifically known as Gymnocalycium mehanovicii, is a unique and colorful plant known for its vibrant, neon-colored top, which can be red, yellow, pink, or orange, and a contrasting green base. This striking appearance is achieved through grafting, where the top, a mutant cactus lacking chlorophyll, is attached to a rootstock cactus that can perform photosynthesis.